masosha omkhonto ngizoxolisa ukuniphazamisa abafowethu. Ngiyazi nibhizi lalikhona Duduzile that, Floyd this, Timbani that, bani nibhizi. Ngicela ngitsheleke nje just few minutes esikhathi senu nizobuye niqhubeke niyolwa lezi zinto zenza ama-factionalism. Ngifuna ukuthi ngisho two things mina guys. One, katani ANC. Katani ANC, your most intellectual, well-resourced and experienced, fierce competitor. Sitha senu esifunde ngendlela esimanga, esinamakhono esimanga. ANC for the past many years, count from 1912 sola wasungulwa. Ulwe kakhulu nomcindezeli. In the process yokulwa nomcindezeli, they've learned so many things kumcindezeli. They've learned guerrilla warfare, they've learned intellectual warfare, and they've learned infiltration tactics. And by understanding society too, including nabantu abaseykhundleni. That's why ANC has successfully managed to capture all the civil society structures. On top of that, capture all the state organs, including the Chapter 9 institutions. It's because it's the most experienced and fierce opponent. Uma sizahaphazadi kanje, njengoba sizahaphazadi kanje emasosha omkhonto, esizosigingqa phansi. Right now, the ANC has infiltrated all structures of MK. Ma ungacheka kahle, mawuthi uya-analyze kahle, kunamaqabane abehave ngendlela onga-understand ukuthi why leli qabane libehave kanje. Kutshela into ongayazi. Njengamanje uma usuthatha 10,000 rand wakho come from somewhere, uye kwi-what it is, uthi nansi imali ngicela nisebenze, you can be blocked for that. Someone can block you and say awume kancane nosinika lowo mali, safuna uku-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. So you don't know whether this person is blocking you because uvimba progress oyenzayo to make things move forward in the MK, or blocker ngoba uzama ukucheck infiltration. But uthi umbuzo wami, if uthatha donation even kunani ngumuntu ongamazi, uyithatha uyisebenzisa ukhampani lo-MK ukuprinta izikipa ze-MK, unika ama-volunteer adla kwazi uhambe ngene eshaye door to door, lowo 10,000 rand ngisho ngithi uqhama ku-infiltrate uzokulimaza kanjani? Common sense iyangidida mina lapho maqabaneni ngangisiza. So u-ANC usuwa infiltratile onke ama-structures. Ngisho ngathi ni-interim, ngisho ngathi in the minute wena uthi nangu interim or whatever, bamitha naye ngale. Because bayazazi into ecritical lo muntu okufa perform. Bazo nje kuyena, listen, sifuna ungenzi lutho. Just don't perform these 1, 2, 3 things that you need to perform. Mangase uzenze, MK uzophumelela. You don't even need to go and decampaign the ANC. You just don't need to, just don't move. Just make sure that things are not moving. Now imali, now 10,000 owakho, now 100,000 owakho. And ngibuza ukuthi mina ke njengoba emasosheni omkhonto siphila ngepoverty, sithi umuntu njalo akathatha imali yakhe ukwenza izinto zomkhonto ziye phambili. Nibothi lo muntu kuleyo situation, maqhamuka 200,000 manje kuthiwa me sikhokhela ukuthi ungenzi lutho ngoba if le structure sakho sinyakaza uzoshaya on the ground. Do you think lo muntu lona osebenza ngemali yakhe uzoyeka 200,000? Nginkensila ngikhona ukuthi they've learned all infiltration tactics. They've learned from the white master whom they have been dealing with for so many years. They know all the tactics, all the strategies, all the approaches, all the models the oppressor uses to suppress black revolution. Ngithi kadenu ANC wale nino lodwa ngaphakathi, yazini ANC uapply iscience on us, apply ama models abawazi ukuthi ayasebenza. A simple model, pay someone money not to do his job to help the MK party. It's a model. They've been using it, and amaqabane siwabekile ekhundleni angayenza efayenze ngenxa lokho salimala. Ngizonenzela example into eyodwa. Sake sahlulwa ukuthi sibhitha ama t-shirt emabhida during our anniversary, 1 year anniversary. Akhona kodwa wafika ngakubantu. What do you think that is? Yafela, was there no plan to distribute ama t-shirts? Not even a18 as abantu bengena. Uyangena umuntu t-shirt, uyangena t-shirt. Something simple like that. So ngithi kunina, walinilwa lapho, Team Duduzile, Team Floyd, Team Mkhize, Team whatever. Be aware ukuthi ANC ibonile induku enize nayo umkhonto nisuka, ANC iyawazi umonakalo enizowenza if ingayi-counter 80 weva MK. And njengamanje their biggest strategy, where they've concentrated the resources they have, is counteracting anything that moves in the MK party. Ninjani kodwa nina? Nibhizi omunye ucinga uxhoko komunye. Nibhizi niyakhipha manje nina emawadini. Kunosizo elingasalifuni nina. Sene privilege manje yokwazi ukuthi iqabane malifika lithi maqabane nansi imoto ascampaign nithi ayawume kancane safuna ukubona ukuthi imoto yakho singayisebenzisa. On the other side futhi nina nikhala ukuthi ama resources awekho. Ngithi ama social omkhonto kunina. Kadani ANC mhlambe futhi nami ngilate ukuntshela lento sekonakele vele. Eke nibuyele kwiposition right yokuthi nifunde ukuhlangana nibe unit ni plan as comrades. Fundani. Ngoba silate vele already lento le fanga nje si drop even at any point. Fanga sihlale si united kanje saqhubeka sa plan as comrades. Sayeka lama divisive interest. Yokuthi mina okufanele ngibe ukuthi ubani okufanele bokuthi. We have removed our eyes away from the main goal, and the main goal is to get to that majority and liberate black people. But I think we are far away from that now in terms of our concentration of what we do each and every day. Ngokwami ukubuka, ANC has infiltrated everybody who's key and capable to make it damage ukuyona. And those people have been told to say, hey, comrade, just sit down, just withdraw. Awuthi withdraw kancane ngoba ukuwithdraw kwakho kube kusho ukuthi uteam MK party uyakhinyabezeka. Amandla ozoba nawo nobuzoba ngeke saba khona. So we just need to withdraw, comrade.
Let's start nicely by organizing a regional march from Tshwane. So this march is only the comrades in Tshwane. If they are not going to listen to us, we're going to come with a national march that is going to declare this country to be on a standstill. We're going to declare this country of Helen Zille, because I think we know that today the government is run by Helen Zille and her gang. Cyril Ena is just an employee of company. He just gets a salary, that's all. So we're warning them that if they're not going to listen to us and stop destroying Itala, we're going to have a national march that is going to bring this country into a standstill. Are we ready to come right to bring this country to a standstill?
Como?